Imagine a world where all your tech gadgets work seamlessly without any glitches. Sounds like a dream, right? But there are superheroes who make this possible, the IT coordinators. They're the unsung heroes behind your flawless video calls, your glitch-free gaming sessions, and your smooth streaming services. The IT coordinators ensure that the technology you rely on daily functions without a hitch. Intrigued? As we peel back the layers of this vital role, you'll gain a new appreciation for these technological wizards. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the life of an IT coordinator. So, what does an IT coordinator do? The simple answer is, they keep everything running smoothly. They're the backbone of any organization, ensuring that all technology-related elements are in perfect working order. Imagine a bustling office where computers, servers, and networks must operate seamlessly. Who's the wizard ensuring this harmony? The IT coordinator, of course. They are responsible for maintaining hardware and software, managing networks, and troubleshooting any tech issues that arise. Think of them as the tech doctor on call, ready to diagnose and treat any tech malaise that threatens to disrupt the workflow. They're also the tech custodians, keeping an eagle's eye on the organization's tech inventory from laptops to servers and ensuring they're updated and functioning optimally. But it's not just about fixing things, it's about foreseeing issues before they occur. They also play a crucial role in planning and implementing new IT projects and initiatives. Sounds like a lot of work, doesn't it? But with the right skills, it's a breeze. Now you're probably wondering what skills you need to become an IT coordinator, right? Well, let's dive into it. First off, a solid foundation in information technology is a must. You need to understand hardware, software, networks, and everything in between. But don't worry, you don't have to be a genius, just curious and willing to learn. Next, problem-solving skills are crucial. IT coordinators are the tech detectives of the corporate world, solving mysteries of malfunctioning systems and elusive errors. You'll need to be a quick thinker, able to troubleshoot on the fly. And let's not forget about communication skills. You will be the bridge between the tech world and the rest of the company. You'll need to translate tech speak into plain English for your non-tech colleagues. As for tools, expect to work with network diagnostic tools, server software, and help desk systems. Familiarity with project management software would also be beneficial. But it's not just about the skills and tools, there are challenges to this role too. Like any other role, being an IT coordinator comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. Let's dive in, shall we? First, the challenges. In an ever-evolving technological landscape, keeping up with the latest updates, system changes, and IT innovations can feel like running an endless marathon. It requires constant learning and adaptation, and sometimes long hours to troubleshoot unexpected issues. But it's not all uphill, the rewards can be equally compelling. IT coordinators often command high salaries, reflecting the critical role they play in keeping businesses running smoothly. There's also the deep satisfaction that comes from resolving complex problems, streamlining processes, and knowing you're the go-to person when tech issues arise. And the benefits extend beyond the tangible. You'll be part of a dynamic, collaborative team, constantly learning and growing, and playing a vital role in your organization's success. So is this the end of the road for an IT coordinator? Absolutely not. The IT world is vast and ever-evolving. So where can an IT coordinator go from here? Progression can lead to roles such as IT manager, network administrator, or even chief technology officer. The IT industry values experience, and each new project is a chance to learn and grow. Additionally, with the constant innovations in technology, there's always a new field or specialty to explore. So, are you ready to step into the shoes of an IT coordinator? We've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? We've journeyed through the dynamic world of an IT coordinator, getting a glimpse into their vital role within a company. We've delved into the array of skills required and the tools that aid in the execution of daily tasks. We've also explored the highs and lows of the job, from the thrill of solving complex IT issues to the challenges of staying on top of ever-evolving technology. We've highlighted the potential for growth and opportunities that come with this role, and the various paths one might take in their IT career. Remember, being an IT coordinator is not just about technical expertise. It's about being a problem solver, a team player, and a communicator. It's about using technology to drive a company's success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Check out our other videos for more insights into the IT world. Until next time, keep exploring.